How long will it take for an investment of 5,000 to increase to I said what? Oh, it's 50,000. How long will it take for an investment of 50,000 to increase to 65,000? So it's not, there's a mistake that I've seen with learners. They were adding 50,000 plus 65. It's not increasing by 65,000. It's increasing to, how much is the interest here? How much is your interest? It's 15,000 rand. The money has increased by 15,000. So if we're going to collect our data, what are we going to say? What is our A? 65,000. This is 65,000. Yes. What is our P? 50,000. It's 50,000. Yes. What is our I? 0.055. It's 0.055. So we can do it in more in all the way so that we just get compatible. Puso said he prefers if we do it with 5.5 all over 100. Yes. And then N we don't know. So I'm going to tell them with this one we have no idea. So how long will it take for this investment on a simple interest? So what formula are we going to use? We're going to use A. We know what A is. What is A? P is 1 plus 0.055 A. Like this, huh? Okay, from there onwards, what is the first step? We spoke about the first step. What do we do first? I'm going to divide both sides by 50,000. I'm going to divide by the principal amount. Yeah, that's what you should say. Divided by the principal amount. Okay, this one and this one, they divide each other out. You are left with 1 plus 0.55. Oh, 0.0. 0.055 n. And then if you say 65 all over 50, what do you get? Aye, not as common, as a fraction. You want? You can't round off until the final answer. So you rather write it as a fraction. It's 13 all over 10. So you have 13 all over 1 all over 10. You want to get n, Anish? Yes. What will you do? Let me check. What's your name? Yes? Yes. Kulfer. What will you do, Kulfer? You'll check the one to the other side. Yes. Then say we have 13 all over 10 minus 1, which is going to be 0.055 n. 13. 3 all over? 10. It's 3 all over 10, which is going to be equal to 0.055 n. You divide by 0.055. Divide by 0.055. And then it says n is going to be equal to 5.5. Yes. And I will say 1, 2, 3. Yes, Paul.